Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on how to do a Contrazoom, also known as a dolly zoom. Let's start off by setting up the camera. For this exercise I will be using a Panasonic 250. First, let's start off by inserting the battery like this, then turning it on to make sure that it works fine. Also, when it comes to doing a Contrazoom, I find it's best to have the focus set to manual, which can be done by flicking the switch on the side of the camera. It's also better to have the zoom set to servo, as this can make zooming appear a lot smoother in my opinion. Once you know that your camera works, you can then start putting together your dolly track. Once the track is complete, you should then assemble your dolly. When that's done, you can then proceed to setting up your tripod and then place it onto the dolly. To perform a Contrazoom, you move the camera forward on the track towards your subject whilst zooming out. This creates an effect where your subject stays relatively the same size as the background increases like this. This can be used for different effects. For instance, one of the most famous examples of the Contrazoom is from the movie Vertigo, where it is used to show John Scotty Ferguson's feeling of vertigo as he looks down and sees how up he is. Another famous example is from the movie Jaws, when Martin Brody sees the shark attack a group of people in the water. In this diner scene from Goodfellas, the zoom is used to show how the world is closing in around Henry as his fear of getting caught grows. And in this scene from Lord of the Rings, the zoom is used to create a slightly otherworldly effect that the forest is opening up to them as the Nazgul are coming for the heroes. Well, that's it for Contrazoom for now. Stay tuned for more tutorials.